Hey friends, this is Asif Hope your fan and welcome to the new update on Alchemy. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price end of Alchemy formed a bull flag on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you when the price line was moving inside this bull flag. Now, if we move to the live 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that finally we have broken out the resistance of this flag. And by the way, if I place this Fibonacci tool once again, show you, you can see that when it was forming this down channel after this rally, it was not retraced more than 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. Therefore, I was telling you that this is the perfect bull flag formation. Therefore, now we can expect that it can break out the resistance of this flag, and then we can expect a massive pump, another massive pump. I'll show you what can be the target for this bull flag breakout. But for a while, you can see that we also broke out this very long-term down trend line resistance. Let me show you on the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that this down trend line resistance on the 7 days time frame chart is coming from the month of January 2022. Got rejection here. And now recently you can see that the price line was once again rejected here. And despite this long spike here, the price line could not break it out. And now again, we are trying to break out this resistance. And if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart once again, then you can see that for a few hours, the price has been moving above this resistance, but now again, it is moved down. Now, the previous resistance of this flag can work as support. And for example, if the price will be moved more down, then it can retest its previous channel of this bull flag approximately here at 3.4 cents. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show this recent formation of this head and shoulder pattern. You can see that previously we broke down the support of the head and shoulder pattern, the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. Then we had a drop, the price and recovered back, and now we have broken out the neckline once again. I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that is happening on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that it is forming different wedges and triangle and breaking them out. Recently, it broke out this descending triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SCR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 17th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Alchemy. And first of all, let me show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that previously we broke down this head and shoulder pattern, but after a small drop, the price then recovered back and moved up. And after this short rally, the price then also formed a bull flag as well. Therefore, I was telling you that now there is a probability that after the formation of this bull flag, this rally can be continued, and we may break out the resistance of this small down channel that was the channel of this bull flag rather than breaking down the support. But now you can see that for a while we broke out this very long-term downtrend line resistance. But now again we have broken it down. Therefore, we will need to break out this resistance. This is, by the way, a very long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance is coming from the month of January 2022. We got rejection here, and then we got another rejection here. And despite this long spike here, recently the price end once again rejected by this resistance. And now we are again trying to break out this is a resistance on the 7 days time frame chart as well. By the way, now there is a probability that the price end may retest the previous resistance of this bull flag as a support, and it can retest this previous resistance somewhere here, possibly at 3.4 cents. And now if you take a look at the technical target for this breakout from this bull flag, that target is, by the way, here. That is approximately at 5.4 cents. And if the price then reaches there, then we may see another very powerful attempt to break out this very long-term resistance of 5 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then you can see that this 5 cents has been previously working as a almost as a resistance here. And we got another rejection here after the breakout from this big wedge. price and got rejected by this resistance of 5 cents here. Then we got another rejection here. And recently, despite this long spike, the price and could not break out this 5 cent resistance. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a very, very massive rally. But so far, the price then did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.